Welcome to the installation video for FoxSonic. I'm Sylvia and I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up FoxSonic on your diesel, heating oil or lubricant tank. You simply need three things. You need FoxSonic, and therefore please make sure to take it out of the box. There is also a manual inside for further information. The other two things that you need is your smartphone with the already downloaded Fox mobile app, as well as a yardstick. Please go to your tank. As you can see, I'm already at the tank with the downloaded app. As a first step, you'll be asked to create your user account. Therefore, simply put in your email address and press continue. Within the following screens, we'll provide you with hints and information on how to install FoxSonic correctly. For example, to avoid an inner thread in your opening, but also to not install it if there is a pipe going through your tank directly under FoxSonic, because we always need a 90-degree angle with clear sight to the medium. I'm already at the tank and I'm using the provided threads. Therefore, FoxSonic has the option for you to install it on a 1 1/4, 1 1/2 or a 2-inch opening. In case your tank happens to have smaller threads, you can already also purchase the FoxSonic adapter. Simply screw it on at the bottom and it will allow you to also install at a 3/4 opening or a 1-inch opening. I don't need the adapter, so I'll just go along with the FoxSonic. Please make sure it's screwed in properly and not sitting loose at the top of the tank. After this is done, and after you've watched all the information on how to install it, as a next step, you'll be asked to connect your phone, your Fox mobile app with FoxSonic. Therefore, simply push the button on FoxSonic until the LED lights will turn on. Once this is done, everything happens automatically. As a first step, we connect the app with the device, and as a next step, the device will connect itself to mobile connectivity, which is automatically done for you in the background, as already said. Once this is done, you'll be provided with a successfully installed screen on your app. And now it's time to set up your tank and configure your parameters. As already mentioned before, therefore you need a yardstick in order to double check all your tank settings and tank configurations. We are providing you with two different options on how to set up the tank configurations. If you happen to know your tank manufacturer, please select the tank manufacturer as well as the tank type. This should simply be on a label somewhere on the side of the tank. If you don't know your tank manufacturer, don't worry, there is a second traditional way on how to set your tank up. Simply measure the tank height from the rear bottom until the top, which is in my case nearly 140, and then also measure the distance between the Oilfox body, the lower body and the top of the tank, which is in my case about 2 centimeters. Once you know this, select your tank shape, which is rectangular, then put in the 140 as well as the 2 centimeter distance and the total volume. After this is done, please click on continue and we'll already provide you with an information on what is left in the tank. Now, in order to make sure everything is correct and went well, please double check this and conduct a manual metering. You can either do this if you happen to have a plastic tank which is see-through by measuring the medium from the outside, or if you have a steel tank, just simply go in below and conduct a manual metering. That's it. These were the last steps, and from now you can enjoy overlooking your medium through our Fox mobile app. Thank you.